BI professional. This is Sai Fernandra from SQL School. For 2 decades, I have been into database platform. And let me tell you, Power BI is a cream on your cake. Really. To learn Power BI, it's very easy. To implement Power BI, it's very easy. To work with Power BI, it's damn easy. But at the same time, we need to have good grip on the data. In our training classes, I will be teaching you step by step how to master Power BI. In our classes, in Power BI training program, I will be teaching you from scratch how to work with data, how to work with databases, how to work with big data, small data, file data, website data, forms, social media, RSS feeds, stream data, any kind of data. Given any type of data, we can easily work with Power BI. In this short video, let's understand what is Power BI and why it is so great. Why we need to learn, why we need to master, and how to learn it. What exactly we need to learn to become a pro in Power BI. Let's get started now. Power BI is one of the trending job technologies using which we can have beautiful dashboards, beautiful reports from any type of data. You see on my screen the actual color of Power BI. You take mobile reporting, desktop reporting, web reporting, or even apps, any kind of reports or dashboards, Power BI is always there. In Power BI, we have good number of tools. There are 5 design tools using which we can have interactive visualizations. Additionally, we have components like Power Query, DAX, AI Copilot, and few other important latest components using which we can have big data analytics and accurate forecasts. Using Power BI, we can also have good amount of advantages. Absolute data connectivity, interactive dashboards, AI-powered insights, real-time analytics, security and data governance activities, collaboration, sharing to social media, data prep activities using Power Query, DAX and Copilot, mobile accessibility, extensive sharing across Fabric Cloud and Azure Cloud concepts, including cheaper reporting options. These are the high level, basic level Power BI advantages. At the same time, there are few important components we need to learn to master Power BI. Remember, Power BI is all about reading the data for the end user activities, showcasing the data for high level business decisions. So Power BI can easily groom your data, can easily add color to your data. So it all depends on how carefully you handle your data and submit it to Power BI, so that Power BI can use your output, your transformed data, your prep data for the purpose of day-to-day reporting activities. There comes our actual job role. Let me tell you friends, Power BI is not just about reporting the data. Power BI is all about handling the data. Power BI is all about mash up the data, transformations of your data, converting the raw data to a meaningful data set. And from there, we need to evolve into something called semantic models. In my training classes, I'm going to concentrate on the data handling, data prep, data modeling, semantic models, and transformation activities. Yes, using AI tools, nowadays we can have auto-generated reports. Then what we do? Yes, it's our responsibility at our job desk to maintain proper format for your data. We need to selectively format the data for easy end user reporting. In my training classes, in the Power BI course, I have 3 different levels. At the first level, I'll be teaching you directly Power BI. If you are aware of SQL and we call it plan A, directly Power BI. If someone wanted to get good touch on the database fundamentals and query tuning, then we have second plan, plan B. In second plan, we'll be starting with SQL and database concepts first. Make you work on use case scenarios. Teach you how to optimize small and big queries, slow and fast queries, cost optimizations, performance optimizations, and then take you to Power BI in a more meaningful way. I love this plan B. Further, for experienced participants, if you want to really become a pro, then yes, I welcome you to opt for plan C, Power BI. In Power BI Plan C, I'll be teaching you SQL first module. Second module would be Power BI with AI Copilot. And third module would be Fabric. It is all about the Fabric Cloud, Fabric integrations, Fabric Warehouse, Fabric Lakehouse, and Fabric Streamhouse with Power BI. I assume we are all very new to Fabric environment. We'll take it from scratch. I repeat once again, you can opt for any of these three plans based on your comfort and resume needs. You're already aware of SQL, you directly go for Power BI Plan A. You wanted to have good stuff on the database fundamentals, database concepts, SQL query tuning activities, my favorite Plan B. Later, if required, you can upgrade to Plan C, or day one itself, you can enroll for Plan C as per your comfort. My support for your learning process. My support with complete dedicated learning skill set, concept-wise assignments, weekly mock interviews. What more you are waiting for? I am here to guide you for your resume. I am here to guide you for your certifications on Power BI with PL300. For Plan A and B, we have PL300 certification. However, for Plan C, in addition to PL300, we have DP600 Fabric Data Analyst certification also. See you in my actual live classes. Let's understand more about the detailed course curriculum. Let's understand more about the main takeaways from the classes with daily assignments, weekly mock interviews, certification guidance, sample certifications, resume activities, level up concepts, weekend workshops, and more. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.